We'll guide you through how to replace a video in PowerPoint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many PowerPoint users want to create custom layouts with reusable video placeholders, but do not know how to use Slide Master features. First, click your PowerPoint application in order to open it on your computer. Once the presentation opens, press Ctrl and A together to select everything on the slide, then delete them all to clear the page completely. Next, go to the ribbon located at the top of the PowerPoint window where the editing options are displayed. After that, drag your mouse to the View section and click on it to open more settings. Then locate and press the Slide Master option to enter the Master Editing mode. In this mode, right-click on the left side menu where the slide layouts are shown and choose the Insert Layout option to create a new custom layout. After creating the layout, locate the Insert Placeholder option on the top toolbar. Click on it and choose the media option from the list that appears. Once selected, place the media placeholder directly onto the layout by clicking and dragging it into position. After placing the placeholder, close the master view to return to the normal editing screen. Next, go to the Home section and press the Layout option to see the available layouts. From the list, choose the layout that you made earlier with the media placeholder included. After selecting it, click on the video icon inside the placeholder to add a video to the slide. Locate the video file from your computer and insert your video into the presentation. Wait for the video to load properly before making additional changes. If you want to replace the video later, simply delete the current video from the slide and then click the video icon again inside the placeholder. After that, locate and insert your new video again by selecting another file from your computer. Following these steps carefully will help you create a custom PowerPoint layout that makes adding and replacing videos easier and more organized for future presentations and editing tasks. You can resize or reposition the video after inserting it, so the slide looks balanced. Practicing these steps regularly will help you become more confident when using PowerPoint tools presentations containing video content.